Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own delicious ranch dressing from scratch. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup of sour cream for the creamy base. Don't forget fresh herbs like 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of chives, and 1 teaspoon of dill. Finally, have your dry seasonings ready. 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, plus 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your buttermilk, mayonnaise, and sour cream. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are smooth and well blended. Next, slowly add your dry seasonings, the garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper, whisking continuously to ensure there are no lumps. Finally, gently fold in your fresh parsley, chives, and dill. This step ensures the herbs are evenly distributed throughout the dressing. After mixing, it's time to perfect your ranch. Give it a taste test. You might want to add a pinch more salt, pepper, or even a dash of hot sauce for a little kick. If the dressing is too thick, you can thin it out with 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or water until it reaches your preferred consistency. For the best flavor, cover your dressing and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Your homemade ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. To keep it fresh, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. When properly stored, your delicious dressing will remain fresh for up to 5 to 7 days. This versatile dressing is perfect as a dip for your favorite vegetables, a flavorful topping for salads, or even as a spread on sandwiches. Enjoy the fresh, vibrant taste of your very own homemade ranch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.